Hey guys, welcome back to Medicos Let's Save the World. Today we are going to see about one of the glands in our body, that is the sweat gland. Sweat glands are long, spiral, tubular glands which can be found on all regions except on the red margins of the lips, nail beds, glans penis and clitoris. Sweat glands are most deeply penetrating structures. It extends full thickness of dermis and superficial fascia. In my previous video, we have seen two types of sweat gland, that is apocrine and eccrine. Apocrine gland is found in the hairy region and eccrine gland is found in most part of the body. And today we're going to see about the types of the glands by its mode of secretion. If you see by mode of secretion, there is three types of glands, that is holocrine, apocrine and merocrine. In holocrine gland, the entire cell disintegrates, the entire cell will break down to release the product. The sebaceous gland is a holocrine type gland. Holocrine gland mostly found in your face, chest and back of your body. This holocrine gland lubricates our skin and slows the bacterial growth. It makes it difficult for the bacteria to move around and divide. Moving to apocrine gland, this apocrine gland releases its secretion from apex of the cell, that is top of the cell. You can remember this by apocrine, apex, A, both have A. So, this apocrine gland's product is a mixture of proteins, lipids and steroids. Interesting fact about this gland is, it won't release its secretion until puberty. Once puberty hits, it started to release its secretions. This gland is responsible for emotional sweating because these glands are most active during anxiety, stress, fear and pain. Merocrine gland releases its secretion by the process of exocytosis. Content in the cell is released by a vacuole. This gland releases the watery sweat, help us to cool down and eliminate the waste products. This gland also releases lysozyme enzyme that lyse bacteria and even antibodies. Our skin does an important job for our body, that is thermoregulation, that is done by our sweat glands and blood vessels. For example, if you are in a hot region or it's a sunny day and you are out, you are exposed to sunlight, so your body became hot, your blood vessels vasodilate to release the heat and the sweat gland release sweat to cool our skin. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.